like to explain what cupping is to you. Many of you have seen these cupping marks on celebrities, and they've gone viral. And you may have wondered what these round marks are. They've been produced using this cup here. And typically what we'll do is there is something called fire cupping as well as vacuum cupping. So what I'm going to be showing you is actually the vacuum cupping. So all we do is we would place the cup on a part of the body, and I'm going to use my own shoulder here to demonstrate. So we'll place this on a part of the body, typically where you're having some kind of an ache or pain. And then we remove the air by creating this vacuum. And you will see that it stays stuck to my body, and you can actually see some of the flesh inside the cup. So what this is doing is it's really trickery, because what we're doing is we're pulling blood and oxygen to this area. Because if you think about it, the body's in control of where it sends blood to all day long. So what we're saying is, listen body, we're deciding that right now this shoulder needs extra attention, extra love and care. Can you divert a little bit of oxygen, a little bit of blood from other parts of the body, like maybe the shoulder or my hand, where I don't need so much blood right now, and send it to the shoulder? What that's going to do is help to wash away any old stuck blood that's in this area. Now, when I take the cup off, you'll notice that there's a little red mark for a moment. Now, I don't have a big problem in the shoulder at the moment. Actually, if I did the back of my shoulder, I probably would have, from lifting weights too much or walking my dog. But whenever you see those marks are very purple, what that means is the purple is old stuck blood and oxygen inside that area. So now the body, as long as that mark is there, is going to send fresh blood and oxygen to wash away that old stuck blood. And what's so interesting to notice is that over time, when you do cupping in that same area, you won't have that mark so purple again. Next time it's usually just a little bit red, and then you will do it in the future, and actually, like you just saw with mine, there's going to be no mark there, and within about half an hour, that little bit of redness that you see is going to fade completely, which means that this is a good muscle. There's nothing stuck there, there's nothing that needs to be healed inside there. So typically we'll use this for pain somewhere in your body where we think that there is old stuck blood and oxygen, because all that pain is your own blood and oxygen that's stuck in that area. So cupping is just one of the many ways that we will use to try and get blood to move in that area. I hope this makes more sense now, and you can understand what those funny looking octopus marks look like on people's bodies. Give it a try.